place, so this is kind of new to us.
Throws in my face.
It was a little dusty out there.
Oh yeah. I used to only ever just drink bottled water, and I always just keep it in my closet. In my like pantry. So I never ever drank cold water. So I'm so used to it now that when I do drink cold water, I'm like, oh, that's.
Oh, it's so good. Yeah.
I never.
Oh man, there's a nice pair of Adidas up there. There's a nice pair of Adidas up there. Why would you waste such a good pair of shoes? Yeah.
Look at the up and right from that.
There's high heels on the bottom.
Look at those Nikes with.
Oh, I know. I see that.
Those aren't bad.
Well, I'm not getting them down.
A pair of leather shoes.
I'm not getting them down.
Generation's Hero. Or mine at least. That was our generation's Evil Knievel.
Right.
Yeah. And Nitro Circus is quite a legacy. I mean, I would say he's probably the top of the top.
He's the cream of the crop. All right, you ready for this? Ish. Ready. Nice. Almost. Nice. All right, let's boogie.
Enough to know how long gas lasts.
Yeah, I've barely used what I topped off with. So what we'll do is we'll ride back to your place, we'll blaze over there, we'll top off, and we can head to that little play area that you and I were in on the way to my place.
It was getting you talking too.
Oh,
so it said house and fill up. Yeah, we are going to head to my house to put gas in, and we'll meet you there, song.
So
I don't know where I got the song from.
I don't know where the song came from. So yeah, we can head over there, top off, and we can head into the wash. I'll show you guys the hill climb.
Yeah.
And then we can go into the wash and go over to that little play area because we only have to use the wash to cross under the bridge. And then we can get off on the little trails and get to that little play area and goof off with Wes there.
With the pool?
And then, yeah, with the pool in it. And then we can head back to my place and hit that sand track.
Sweet. Okay.
That little flow track.
From there, if we want, we can get take a break there and then roll out to the trail. Do you have fuel at the house?
No, I can go get it at the corner though.
Right there, though, yeah.
Yeah, I can get it at the
we
corner.
could fill up there if we had to.
Yeah.
And then from your place, roll down a trail, like a long trail.
Yeah.
Even.
Yeah, we'll have to get set up though to where all three of our houses have like at least 2 cans of gas.
Yeah, I have 2 cans. They're just not full of gas yet.
Yeah.
I've
bought
got
another
about
one
6
yesterday.
gallons worth, so we've
Okay.
got fuel at 2 locations.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're all right then.
All premium.
Well, let's do it.
Dude, my chain is buzzing.
Is it?
Yeah, it's like they shh.
Oh yeah, mine's doing the same right now. I think they're just drying out. Yeah, that jump right there is like so hard to just clear the whole thing.
Oh, that's the double right there?
Yeah, it's like you land here, but then you got this mound right here to worry about. It's like a 4th gear jump, but it's like you just roll across it.
Let me see.
Yeah, it's pretty bad when you get close.
Dude, I felt my back tire go to one right, my front tire go to the other.
Yeah, you gotta pick and choose.
I'm not jumping this.
I'll hit it one more time and then we can roll out to that other play area. It's kind of fun. It's a lot of little rollers and stuff like that. So
The one with the pool, right?
yeah.
Okay.
he stopped early and I was like, you staying there? I was like, all right, I'll go around. I think my arm's getting burnt.
Yeah, a little bit.
Just because I know when I eat.
Dude, when we were flying over there, man, it was like.
Oh yeah, in the wash. It's really washboarded out there, so I try to stay out of it as much as I can, but that little stretch around that tree is okay.
Yeah.
As long as you're pinned out.
That's right where I'd fall on.
Luckily, that's on the inside.
Luckily, I keep falling on my right arm though, so.
Yeah. All right, let's roll. That's good.
And you see the puddle?
Yeah, it's because it was tipped over.
Yeah.
When it tips over, you lose some fuel out of the bowl, so.
Oh, dude, I can hear my radiator boiling.
Oh, can you?
Trying to figure out what that sound was.
At least it has a radiator, man. It's probably better in the air cooled and stuff. Though.
Yeah. I used to have a 400EX. That thing did not like heat. It also didn't like the cold, so it was like you had to ride in perfect conditions. All right, we got the stalled bike started. So we're gonna leave this place and head on back. Oh, what a good day of riding. Well, that's the end of today's ride. Well, everybody, that was a successful end to a great ride. I mean, I had a great time today. We were able to get 4 of us out, got those 2 bikes running good. We're finally able to get the Raptor running, just need a new battery. Thankfully, he was able to go get that pretty quick, so he's able to jump back in the ride about halfway. Man, just a good time getting guys out. That's what it's all about, getting your friends out on whatever rig they can find and then go out and find some great spots and have a good time. It's just getting a little too hot. Close to noon, it's about 100 degrees, so we had to call quits after the bike started stalling. One guy said he had his radiator boiling, so it's time to call it quits after that. But really glad you guys could join me on that ride. Hopefully we get these guys back out again soon. It's probably gonna slow down a little bit in the summer just because of the heat, but once October picks up, we're gonna be back out riding hard. So stay tuned, guys. We still got plenty more to go. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys next time.